The Constitutional Court has ruled that the couples who transition from a customary marriage to a civil marriage cannot change their matrimonial property system without court approval. The court confirmed that a customary marriage does not end when spouses later marry civilly, but it observes, or rather is observed, into the continuous marriage that can only end by death or divorce. The judgment, delivered on the 21st of January 2026, overturned a High Court finding that part of the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act was unconstitutional. Paramount Chief Thembinkosi Vaku of the Sithathu Indigenous Royal Kingdom shared his thoughts on the ruling.
Uza nezinguquko ezibalulekile umthetho omusha wethulwe inkantolo yomthethosisekelo wakuleli mayelana nemishado yesintu. Ongumholi womdabu uthi lesi sinqumo sishaya nhlangothi zombili.
Kwi-ruling ye-Constitutional Court malunga nomba we-customary marriages kukhona ukulunga, kukhona icala elibi, kukhona icala elihle kule ruling, ngoba owami umbono kukuthi kuthathwe amandla we-traditional leaders, ikumkani nenkosi zelizwe, ebekumele ngabe zizo ezisayina imitshato yesintu. Kodwa namhlanje lawo malungelo nalawo magunya awasekho kuzo. Into leyo ibiza kwenza uba abantu baqonde ubuzaza nobunzulu bokungena emtshatweni ngokwesintu.
Kusenjalo ubese eqhubha ngokuthi amakhosi kumele ahlale phansi athole indlela yokubuyisela amandla ezandleni zawo.
Kumele sijonge indlela ephambili, indlela ethi zingaphinda zihlale phansi inkosi nekumkani zibonisane, imitshato iphinde ibuyiselwe ezandleni zawo ekutheni ibe yephumelelayo. Ngalo ndlela sabe sibuyisa isidima sobukhosi, sabe sibuyisa isidima soluntu, ukuphelisa imilo, ngoba ngokubona ekuhambeni kwethuba isawuza nemilo phakathi koluntu.
Lo mthetho uza ngemuva kokuba izithandani ziyisane enkantolo ngemuva kokuhlukana, njengoba ke olulodwa uhlangothi luphike ukuthi umshado wesintu uwona ogqama njengoba ke beshade nangomhlophe. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV